What's good, y'all? Ruds here. Today's hardware review features the Colonial Razors Silversmith. Colonial Razors is an artisan razor maker established in 2015 in Birdsboro, Pennsylvania by Kirk and Kyle Evans. They're most well known for their Colonial Razors General Razor, which is a single edge razor. This happens to be their first DE offering that they'll bring to market. It is currently in the pre-order stage direct on their website. Will retail for US $125 and hopes to ship early August to all pre-order customers. So the Silversmith is inspired by 18th century silversmithing. This is a 100% USA made razor from the design in Birdsboro, PA to the CNC machining at machine shops across the country. It's machined out of 316L stainless steel. Features a very slim profile head. I quite like the geometry of the head. Slight blade tab exposure. As I mentioned, this is a three-piece razor, so you have a handle, base plate, top cap. I have already got the blade loaded here. Because it's CNC machined, it's got very tight tolerances. The blade center's true, and there's really no error to be had with misalignment, and there's absolutely no blade chatter once you torque the razor assembly down. The handle itself is 83 millimeters long, quite a unique design, and the entire assembly weighs in at 95 grams. So the Colonial Razors Silversmith is billed as a mid-aggressive shaver. And I'll tell you, I've been using this since I received it on Monday, and it delivers on that promise. It's a very efficient razor without any over-aggression. The shave it provides is smooth and efficient. Slight audible feedback from the razor itself. But in general, it's a fairly quiet razor. It's got a very easy angle to find and maintain. And it has a very generous sweet spot. Rarely do I use a DE razor on my face when not on camera. But I found myself reaching for this razor because of its efficiency and comfort of the shave itself. Most oftentimes I nick myself on my face with a DE, probably because I'm out of practice on my face with it. This is a true daily driver type razor. I haven't experienced any face or dome irritation, and I've used it exclusively on my dome for over a week now. It's just a mindlessly easy razor to use, and I think it really delivers on the promise of being a mid-aggressive, efficient shaver. As you probably suspect, I'm quite impressed with the upcoming Colonial Razors Silversmith. As I mentioned, it really delivers on the promise of a mid-aggressive shave with high efficiency and maximum comfort. The fact that it harkens back to a 18th century silversmithing, the materials of construction and the fit and finish on it are excellent, with a glass bead finish on the 316L stainless steel, along with the fact that it's 100% US made, really makes it quite attractive in my opinion for the wet shaving hobbyist market. I think $125 is the right price point for a razor of this quality and caliber that delivers a daily driver type shave, whether it's on your dome or your face, whether you do 2 passes or 3 passes on your face. So congrats to Kirk and Kyle. I'm honored that you sent me this loaner to share my thoughts with the audience here on Rudd Shaves, and I look forward to seeing the successful launch of this product. As always, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Comment below if you have anything to say, and if you're not already a subscriber, please become one. See ya.